Hi YouTube. I'm sorry for the camera delicacy and all the pixelation. The thing is, I'm gonna get a better device. Until then, it's gonna be this. So like, remember yesterday I said I was gonna share when I was going to make the banana. I'm making a video for the YouTube. So that was my father. His name is Rashad. I love with him in Indonesia. And like I said, I'm going 1 week before our festival is called Eid. So that's after Ramadan. So I'll be going a week before Eid. And we'll be trying it then. The banana pie with sweet cream. I'm looking forward to it, man. Because I love sweet things, eh? I love sweet things, especially with fruit. Dried fruit, guava fruit, stick rolls, gum, anything sweet but fruity. Anyway, so I had a PlayStation 4. I had to sell it because of circumstances. I had phones, they went missing. Such is life. I used to like invest a lot of money into my stolen things, and I'm like done with it. So I rather just hang on with what I have now until I get a better footing, and then I'm gonna be able to get what I want. Anyway, how's my haircut? I cut it myself. I cut my own hair. I cut my own hair. Due to the circumstances, this is a good haircut, I would say. These are my two caps. One is Gucci. It's fake, by the way. They call it triple A. It's like a knockoff, you understand. And this is just some off the street green cap. $50 for each of them. $100 at most for us because of the style and the uniqueness. Um, what else? What else? What else? Oh, I'm a jota person, so like I write down a lot of ideas, and it's not basically a diary. It's open book that I leave everywhere. You see, where I remember where I want. So the thing is, I I basically have a lot of books laying around the house. My brother was a cricketer, and this is his t-shirt. See, it says Lenasia Premier League LPL, and he was with Shakti Tigers. Look at that. They won the tournament, but when I was playing for Bank All Stars, and Bank All Stars won the tournament. But unfortunately, they robbed me. They never give me my 1,500 rand because the winning was obviously about 15, 16,000. Cricket, you have 12 players, maximum 13 players. So 1,500, 1,200 or 1,000 rand for each of them, you understand? So, yeah, man, I've been robbed a lot in life and I'm sick of it, man. So I'm the weapon now. I'm no longer a small little child. I've killed, I fought, I almost got killed in a fight, and I'm stronger. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Please do subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me out, guys. Come on, guys, help me out. Just 1,000 subscribers. I'll be the only YouTuber that doesn't ask for donations ever, ever, ever. Just don't not subscribe. Until the next video. Ciao, guys. Oh, and one thing, I'm born 31st December 1996, so that makes me 29, turning 30 this year. Next year on the 2027 is going to be my crown birthday, you understand? So I'm gonna be looking at investing 100,000 into myself this year so I can party next year. So until then, may you people be tuned in to one of the most upcoming wicked channels in YouTube history.